James, final round.
All right. Hey, Brad. James from Nashville. I'm looking to open a firm and have it at $5 million revenue in 5 years. If you were starting out today, what would be the first system you would implement in the first 90 days?
Marketing. Just marketing. And there's 3 strands of marketing for our business, right? There's the digital strand, there's the relationship strand, and there's the direct strand. Direct is obviously the fastest marketing vehicles. Door knocking, telephones, strategic partners at putting people in a room, webinars, seminars, like that real direct methodology, direct mail, phone. You know, all of those direct strategies is the fastest strategies to get results. Relationship can also be very fast in networking if you go into a group that doesn't have a business coach. So don't just join the first BNI you come to. Go visit 5 or 10 of them in your area and see which ones are the most active, most productive, most referrals given. See if they've got a coach or had a coach before. If there is a coach in there, just ask them, hey, I'm not here to compete with you. We do something very different to you. We install a business operating system, but do you get many referrals from the group? And if they say no, you say fantastic. Because obviously the group doesn't like that person, so they're not giving them referrals, okay? And then you've got the digital strategies. Now the agencies are the best with the digital strategies because it just moves too fast. For you to employ someone to keep up with digital, it's almost impossible, I look at my agencies that run my stuff, and we have 3 different agencies running my stuff, and the top one's 20 odd grand a month, but they have 45 people on staff. If they need new videos done, they've got the scripts written. They got a person whose job is to write the scripts. We just interviewed a new social media agency for me, and they write all the scripts. They do all of the editing. They do everything it's all them. So I can get speed and volume. So chat with Marlon at Voyager in Australia, chat with Josh and the team at Avalanche about the podcasts, because to get to the high-end people, the podcasts are amazing. Because all you're doing there is inviting them on your podcast, and amazingly enough, once you've spoken to them on your podcast, and Bill can tell you his experience with it, but once you've got them on your podcast, and then you say, maybe we should get together and have a coffee. Boom. What do you do at the end of coffee? Give them the questionnaire, drop down to their business. And that's one thing. When you're going through that sales process socially with someone, you don't always have to tell them about the whole 2 weeks. You can just say, why don't we have a coffee? You don't, when you start dating a girl, you don't go, why don't we get married? And let's plan the 27 steps between here and getting married. You go, why don't we go out on a date? Why don't we have a coffee? So it's the same with a business owner. You don't have to tell them you're doing the full 2 weeks. You can just tell them, we're going to start here.
Great.
Dang. So are you guys on a, wow, this is amazing day, or are you on a, what the hell did I get myself into day? Because you're going to have both while you're here, just so you're aware. There will be days where you're like, what am I doing? I don't know. And you'll call home, I don't know what I've done. And
Bill just got us excited still, so I guess we're on the way up.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, Hartley is the tough one. He's the tough one, so he's going to come in and, he's very high on accountability, so which is very important in your first 90 days to just do the numbers. I think that anytime I see a coach succeed early, it's because they did the numbers. Not much more complex than that. 8 to 10% of people are ready to go now. If you want to find 8 to 10 people, then you got to go and do the numbers.